Hello, I'm Sean Fletcher, Go Outdoors ambassador and novice camper, and today I'm going to be speaking to the Go Outdoors expert, Ian Mack, about the essentials you need when you go camping. Ian, I love camping, but I never really go back the next year because I just feel like there are all sorts of issues and problems. What are the essential things I need to know and buy?
Well, there's a few things. The first thing is you need sleeping equipment. You need to have the right sleeping bag and the right thing to sleep on, whether that's an airbed or a camp mat, and that'll ensure you have a good night's sleep.
Well, actually, what I find is I might have a good sleeping bag, but I feel the contours of the ground, and overnight I feel like I'm like the shape of the ground when I wake up. How can I make that better?
So the key thing with that is what you're sleeping on. There's a huge range from really big, thick deluxe airbeds to thinner mats, which are lighter, much more compact. Be better if you either have a small car or you're walking with your stuff. And there's also camp beds which would elevate you off the ground. So there's loads of different options. The combination of sleeping bag and what you're sleeping on, which should make for a really comfy night.
Yeah. The other key thing is, of course, food. I mean, you can go for a couple of nights not eating that well, but if you're camping for a week, you want to have some decent meals. How do you make that work?
So again, depending on your budget and how much space you've got, if you have one small single burner and maybe a little barbecue, those things combined, you can really, if you're creative, make some really delicious meals. But you can also go the whole hog and you can get double burners with grills and kitchens with cupboards. And again, combine that with a barbecue and you really, you can cook up full gourmet meals for your whole family.
Yeah, you talk about kitchens with cupboards. What do you fill it with? Because do you bring your crockery and cutlery and all the stuff that you have in your kitchen and pop that in your camping setup, or do you buy new stuff?
I mean, you could do that. The advantage of the camping stuff is it's designed to be lightweight, it's designed to be compact. When you gather all the stuff together and you pack it in your car, it is quite a lot of stuff. So space saving is really important. So, the pans will be designed to stack in each other, cutlery, plates, all that kind of stuff. They're often in sets. So that's why it's kind of better than taking from your own home. And also you don't ruin one of your best pans from your kitchen.
Yeah, well, one of the things I love about nature is you're following the light and daylight, night, but then the middle of the night you need to go to the toilet. What do you do? You need a torch.
Yeah, and the best thing is to get is a head torch. So as it says, it goes on your head, but wherever you look, it's going to shine light and hands-free, so you can do whatever you need to do. And then for inside your tent, they'll all have a little hook and you can hang a lantern in there. That'll give you sort of natural light in the tent. There's also like a really good range of LED lights, quite a lot of them solar powered, so they charge up in the day and then they'll come on at night and give you that glamping feel.